Hello, I am Alicia from SheetTight. I am here to help you with the installation of the drawstring to your fitted sheet. If you notice, this bed has a headboard, a footboard, and could potentially be pushed up against the wall. Therefore, I have chosen this side to install SheetTight. What you will do is find the center, and I'm going to use a safety pin to mark the area so I don't lose my spot when I remove the sheet. I am then going to take the sheet off the bed, find myself a comfortable spot to sit, and with the seam ripper provided, rip a 3-inch opening into the bottom seam. So we will begin by locating your marker, and with the seam ripper that is provided in your SheetTight kit, very carefully pull thread away from your fitted sheet material. You remember, you only need 3 inches, so 1.5 inches on either side of your marker will do just fine. So we now have our 3-inch opening, and what I'm going to do now is show you how to thread your drawstring into the drawstring puller. So you're going to make a loop like that. Just need a little one, and you're going to put it into the first hole. And then you're going to take the stiffened end here of your drawstring and put it through the second hole. You're going to pull it through. You're then going to take that end and feed it back into number 1 loop, and then pull both the top and the bottom string there, so you have it look like that. Okay, so now we are ready to insert the fat end of the puller into the material, and as you're going along, continue to bunch the material as you're feeding it through, like that. And if you hit a roadblock, all you need to do is, with your seam ripper, come along here and just open up a little bit of the seam to allow room for the puller to pass through. Doesn't have to be too big of a hole. All you have to do we're almost there. Maybe 1 or 2 more. There it is. See? Right there. Allow it to pass through, up and over. And to get it back in, you do the same on the opposite side. You're just going to open up a little hole right here. Let's see if that's enough. A couple more. Oh, no, I think I can get in there. And you're going to pull it through and put it through the other side. Now you may have to do this a few times if you keep running into little roadblocks, but don't worry. Eventually you will end up on the other side. And you just keep pushing and pulling and feeding it through. And it's snaking its way to the other side. So it's been about 30 minutes now, and we're coming out the other end, and that is for a queen sheet, so you know, for your information. And there you have it. So you pull through a little bit more, then you're going to go ahead and disconnect your cord from your puller, just like so. And then you have these two little black toggles that are in your kit. What you're going to do is squeeze them together like that and insert the cord just a little bit there and release. This will help prevent any of the cord from going back up into your sheet. And then you're going to take the other end and do the very same. And pinch and insert, release, and it holds it in place. So then what you need to do is you're going to pinch here, and so that you get all this bunching up done, and go a little further, and you pinch and you pull along again. You pinch and you pull along again, pinch and pull all the way around the sheet. And you'll continue doing that till you get to the other end. You may have to do it twice, but like we can get it on the first. You just keep pinching and pulling, pinching and pulling. And with those toggles there, it will not pull back up into itself. See, it stopped right there, so it didn't go in anywhere. There you have it. See all this bunching? You don't want that, so you just keep going until it releases. You can see itself smoothing itself out. Okay? And what you'll do then is where you had opened up the seam, go back and look to get through, to pass through. So there is where you had your seam, and see right there. Okay, you have your glue that is included in your kit. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this little orange cap off, like this, together. And you can see that the glue is already sealed, and you're just going to use one of these little, and you're going to pierce it. Oh, just like that. You're going to replace the cap and only remove the orange part of the cap, like so. And you have a little nozzle, and you're just going to put a drop on either side of that opening, just a little bit, to ensure closure. Just, there we go, it's coming out on either side. Try not to get any on the string, let it release itself back up in there. And you just place a little dot on each side, like so. And make sure you replace the lid back on the glue. Okay. Now you are ready to put your sheet on your bed.